Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Website. So we're looking at the Facebook group and we're just going to answer some questions from the Facebook group. This video is just going to cover one of the questions, but somebody's asking about resetting their website. Now, there's a couple of ways you can go about this. Brilliant Directories did say just about 8 weeks ago that they would be allowing us to reset our own site. So essentially, we wouldn't then be having to pay Brilliant Directories to toggle a switch on their end in order to have the website reset, which is essentially what's happening, and then you're paying for that service. So they did say that it would be available. At the minute, it's not available still in the accounts, and it would seem a pretty reasonable thing to be expected, you know, for Brilliant Directory owners to be able to do. If you are looking to reset your site, you can go to Google and just put in reset my site, Brilliant Directories, and you can see that they offer a service. We'll bring it up, website reset. So reset my website. So they do offer a service at the moment. It's $25. You can use VIP 30 and that will knock 30% off that and bring it down to about $17. But if you do want to reset your website, currently that's the only way to be able to do that. Brilliant Directories did say we would have the ability to be able to do this ourselves. They haven't released that yet. But another thing that you could probably do is you could probably get Claude to go in and have a look at your website and just reset everything. Just get Claude to go in and see if it can find the default settings to do that. It might be able to go into the back of the website and be able to do that. Certainly send Claude in just to remove any specific text from the website, to delete all your widgets or your sidebars and stuff like that, which you can pretty much do yourself anyway. You can go to Toolbox Form Manager and you can delete any custom forms. You can go to Widget Manager and delete any custom widgets. If there are any custom widgets, you can go to Menu Manager and again, delete any custom menus. You can go to Sidebar Manager and you can delete any custom sidebars, and then all the defaults will kick in. You can go to your My Content SEO templates if you customize any of these, and apart from these three, you can delete any custom templates that have been created. You can go to the web page builder, and providing you don't go sort of beyond, let me just have a look here. You'll have upcoming events. I think that is the last page that you'll have. So if you run down your page order and you get to upcoming events, anything after that you could delete because these are all your default pages. In terms of going in and removing content from any of these that you've already created, it's not going to be a big job in terms of if you've narrowed it down that these are the only them pages that could potentially hold information about a previous project that you had. Then you can go in and alter that. You're going to have to go in and edit these anyway with the new content or the new site or the new project that you're looking to, you know, turn this new website into. So you don't really need to be paying the $25, but it would be nice for Brilliant Directories to sort of hurry along with that reset service, which they have mentioned some time ago now that they would introduce and should have been introduced by now. So I hope you found that video useful, and thanks for watching.